When it comes to self-hosted AI chat interfaces, two of the biggest names right now are LibreChat and OpenWebUI. Both let you run AI models with a ChatGPT style interface, but they focus on slightly different users. So in this video, I'll compare LibreChat and OpenWebUI in terms of features, setup, customization, performance, pricing, and which one is better for you. Let's get started. What is LibreChat? LibreChat is an open source AI chat platform designed to connect with multiple AI providers and models in one place. It supports services like OpenAI, Anthropic, Google Gemini, OpenRouter, and even local AI models. The main goal of LibreChat is flexibility. It's built for users who want one interface for many AI providers while still keeping everything self hosted and customizable. What is OpenWeb UI? OpenWeb UI is another open source AI interface, but it focuses heavily on local AI models and privacy. It became popular mainly because of its integration with Ollama, which allows users to run AI models directly on their own computer. OpenWeb UI has a very clean interface and is especially popular among users who want offline AI access without relying too much on cloud services. Setup and installation. LibreChat. LibreChat setup is a bit more advanced. Usually, you will need Docker, API keys, and some environment configuration. It is not extremely difficult, but beginners may need to follow tutorials carefully. The advantage is that once it's running, you can connect many AI services together in one dashboard. OpenWeb UI. OpenWeb UI is generally easier for beginners. If you are using Ollama, setup can take just a few minutes. A lot of users simply install Ollama, run OpenWeb UI, and immediately start chatting with local models. So for simplicity and quick setup, OpenWeb UI usually wins. Supported AI models. LibreChat. This is one of LibreChat's biggest strengths. It supports a huge number of AI providers, including OpenAI, Anthropic, Gemini, OpenRouter, Azure OpenAI, local models. You can switch between models very easily inside the interface. This makes LibreChat great for people who test multiple AI systems regularly. OpenWebUI. OpenWebUI mainly focuses on local AI models through Ollama. However, newer versions also support cloud APIs and external providers. Still, its biggest advantage remains local AI usage. If your goal is running models privately on your own machine, OpenWeb UI feels more optimized for that experience. Interface and user experience. LibreChat. LibreChat's interface feels closer to ChatGPT. It includes features like conversation management, multimodal support, plugins and tools, file uploads, AI presets. It's powerful, but sometimes the interface can feel slightly more technical. OpenWeb UI. OpenWeb UI has a cleaner and simpler design. Navigation is straightforward and many users prefer its modern layout. It also performs very well for local AI chats and document interactions. For casual users, OpenWeb UI often feels easier to use daily. Customization and advanced features. LibreChat. LibreChat is extremely customizable. You can add multiple providers, configure advanced settings, use assistants and presets, manage teams and users, integrate APIs. It's better for advanced users, developers, or people building AI workspaces. OpenWeb UI. OpenWeb UI also supports customization, but it focuses more on usability and complexity. It includes model management, knowledge and document features, local AI optimization, simple admin controls. For many users, this balance is actually better because it avoids unnecessary complexity. Performance. Performance depends heavily on your hardware and AI provider, but generally, OpenWeb UI feels faster and smoother for local AI models. LibreChat feels stronger for cloud AI integrations and switching between providers. If you mainly use OpenAI or cloud APIs, LibreChat may be more useful. If you mainly run local models, OpenWeb UI is usually the better experience. Pricing. Both platforms are free and open source. However, your actual cost depends on the AI models you use. For example, local models can be free but require strong hardware. Cloud APIs like OpenAI or Anthropic charge based on usage. So neither platform itself is really the expensive part. Pros and cons. LibreChat Pros supports many AI providers, very customizable, great for advanced users, strong multi-model support. LibreChat Cons Setup is more technical, can feel overwhelming for beginners. Open WebUI Pros. Easier setup, excellent for local AI, clean interface, strong privacy focus. Open WebUI cons, less focused on advanced multi-provider workflows. Some advanced features are simpler compared to LibreChat. Final verdict. So which one is better? If you want the easiest way to run local AI models with a clean interface, OpenWebUI is probably the better choice. But if you want maximum flexibility, support for many AI providers, and advanced customization, LibreChat is the stronger option. In short, choose LibreChat for advanced workflows and multi-provider support. And that's all for this comparison. If you find it helpful and useful, please do not forget to support us with like, consider to subscribe, turn on the bell icon to get all the news about such topics, share this video to your friend. Thank you for watching and see you in a new comparison video.